How do I create Instagram highlights?
Hello there, Instagram enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a very important feature of Instagram, Instagram Highlights. This feature helps you preserve and showcase your best Instagram stories beyond their usual 24-hour lifespan. So, let's learn how to create them.
What are Instagram highlights?
Before we begin, let's understand what Instagram highlights are. They are groups of stories that you can present as a highlight on your Instagram profile. They appear right below your bio and above your feed, making it a perfect space to showcase the best about you or your brand.
How to create Instagram highlights?
To create Instagram highlights, follow these steps. 1. Open your Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you've updated to the latest version. 2. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. 3. Under your bio, you'll see the Highlights section. Tap on the plus icon. 4. Here, you'll see a library of your past stories. Select the stories you want to add to this highlight. 5. Tap Next, and then you can choose a title and cover image for your highlight. 6. Once done, tap Done, and you've created your first Instagram highlight.
How to add more stories to your highlights?
To add more stories to your highlights, just go to the specific highlight and tap on the More 3 dots button at the bottom right of your screen, then select Edit Highlight. Here you can add more stories, change the cover, or rename the highlight.
Can I remove stories from my highlights?
Absolutely. To remove stories from your highlights, you can go to Edit Highlight, as explained in the previous section, and unselect the stories that you don't want to be part of the highlight anymore. And that's it, folks. With these easy steps, you can enhance your Instagram profile by creating engaging and interesting highlights. Remember, highlights are a great way to showcase your best content to your followers and visitors. So, keep your highlights updated and engaging. Happy Instagramming!